What's up guys? In this video I'm going to talk about this LG dual inverter air conditioner. I've had this for about 3 years. This is in my tiny house. It's about 400 square feet. It cools this living room area and this, I leave this door open, this laundry slash storage room area easily. It easily cools that. And most of the time I also leave this door open and it will start cooling off the hallway as well, but I have a second AC in here just because it's hard for it to really get the air around this corner, and I got this smaller version of the exact same air conditioner. I'll do a separate review on this guy, but like, I love this air conditioner. We've had it for about the same amount of time, and I love this guy even more because it really puts out some cold air. We're in the deep south and it gets very hot here. One of the other cool things about it is it has obviously a remote that came with it. I don't use that very often, but I do use the app. And the app, you can turn it on and off. You can see what the temperature is inside of here. Even with it turned off, you can see what the temperature is. It does have a energy saving mode, which when I sleep here, I don't like to use the energy saving mode because it turns it completely off and completely back on, and I'm a very light sleeper, and that kind of wakes me up, so I put it to cool when I'm here, and that way it stays on. The compressor will still kick on and off, but the fan will continue running, so it's a nice consistent noise in my background for me to sleep with, and I really like that. Now, downside, I would say my biggest downside of this guy is how the filter changes. You pull this corner out, you pull this corner out, and this is what I'm kind of always leery about, is I change this filter, and that's as far as that leans. That's how that's supposed to go, and it has little plastic hinges that could break if you pulled it further. So if someone didn't know what they're doing and they pulled it further, it may break those hinges. It probably would. But if you just know that, it's perfectly fine. And I've changed this filter several times, and it will also, it has a little light that comes on that will indicate, this guy right here, indicate that the filter needs to be changed after so much time of running to remind you. But the filter just pulls out real easy. You wash it off in the sink and you pop it back in. It's good to go. And then it closes really nice. It just pops in place and it's done. So that part is really cool. It's just, you know, I'm always leery of plastic hinges. But other than that, guys, I really can't complain much. It's worked like a charm for over 3 years now. It just runs. If this one ever went out, I would totally get the exact same air conditioner again. It's so quiet compared to most window unit ACs. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.